Hello everyone. Did you know that if you have iOS 15, you can go to your settings, come down to accessibility, go down and choose audio visual. Then you have something called background sounds. If you turn it on, you can have a background sound to be playing on the background of the phone irrespective of what app you are using, or even if you are playing a media like a video or a song. Now, in this case, if you want the background sound to be off while playing a media, you can switch it off here. Or if you want it to be on, you can switch it on here. Now, what sound you want? Well, there are only 5 options or 6 options right here, right now. A stream, you can turn it to rain, turn it to ocean, dark noise, bright noise, balanced noise, rain. I'll leave it to stream because I like this one. Now, you can change the volume, increase or decrease to your suitable volume. And let's play a sample where we'll listen to a music while the background music is still playing. Well, that's a new feature on iOS 15, so if you enjoyed it, make sure you comment down and which sound you are using right now. Thank you.